surprising if the girl blinded me with something.